Alexa, good morning.
The current weather is 82 degrees Fahrenheit.
This is how I start my day. No buttons, no switches, just Alexa, firing up the shop.
Low of 62 degrees.
A lot of people think you need a fancy setup to automate a shop, but I'm here to tell you a couple smart switches, a couple contactors, and a little bit of wiring made my shop an automated workspace. We have 220 coming from our breaker box and headed up overhead in the shop over just like it would normally go to the compressor, but we interrupt it with this contactor right here. And this contactor is run by this smart switch that is also hooked to Alexa. So if I tell her to turn on the compressor, she'll turn on the compressor. Or I can do it by hand. Alexa, turn on the compressor. It's a simple 110, 220 contactor. I'll leave an affiliate link down in the description. And so it does all the heavy lifting. So the switch is just running 110 and it's like very low amperage 110 at that. It just clicks the contactor and boom, our compressor's working, not putting any extra load on the switch. I only took that cover off of there to show you guys. It hasn't been like that for the last 8 years that I've been here in the shop, I promise. Alexa, turn on the oven. I have an indicator light up here that tells me when the oven's on. Actually, it tells me when the fan's on, because when we shut it off, there's a fan delay and the light still stays on as long as the fan's running. Alexa, turn off the oven. I leave that fan running after the oven's off for 20 minutes. There's a delay in there, so it keeps the air circulated. Before I had it, I left some stuff in there with the timer on it, shut off, and it was a clear coat. And as the heat rose to the top, it started to tint the metal yellow because you're right there at that breaking point. So that's why I have the timer on the fan. I just love this setup. I'm not flipping breakers on and off. I can preheat my oven from anywhere, right? Just get on my phone, I can turn it on. I can be in the house and turn it on. The routines and all that stuff on the Echo Dot, that's what I use, the Echo Dot. With the routines and everything on it, it is just like, you can do so much. My front lights are on it, all kinds of, I have all kinds of stuff on it. What it doesn't do is fix race cars or clean up the shop, both of which I really need done. So if you want to make your shop voice controlled without spending a fortune, even your 220 items, I'm going to try and leave a full list of everything down there with links. It'll be affiliate links. Doesn't cost you anymore, helps me out a little bit. And you can go through those. And if I miss anything, throw it in the comments. I can always edit the description and put it in there. If you want to build something like this, I got the links down below. Leave a comment if you want some help wiring it up. Hell, I'll even walk you through it.